Visit the booth to see BMW's 7 Series autonomous driving vehicle and learn how Intel technology powers BMW to deploy its fleet of autonomous. Step inside an immersive LED tunnel that will bring to life 3 use cases, depicting how 5G will impact day-to-day life for the better through animations and typography. With each step, the story will evolve and change. When you enter the tunnel, your presence is detected, triggering a 3-act story with interactive elements all along the way, including connected cars that instantly communicate hazards to nearby vehicles and the cloud. Smart cities that leverage 5G connected IoT solutions to quickly diffuse potentially dangerous situations, and the power of latency-free virtual reality that will transform education and help bring the people of the world. Data is what enables the autonomous vehicle to see, hear, and otherwise experience what's going on in the world around them. Through projection mapping and haptic seat effects, we will take visitors on an immersive ride through the eyes of an autonomous vehicle and showcase the various facets, sensors, and technologies that give the vehicle focused but near-human processing power to make the nuanced realities on the road manageable. Participants will journey through a world where vehicles will do the work of driving, freeing up time for us to do other things. The demo has seating for up to 9 guests and is designed to feel like a car, much like an exhibit in a museum or a ride in a theme park. Step inside the large cylindrical tower structure that represents the vast mountains of data housed and scanned by AI in the cloud. AR app-enabled tablets will immerse visitors in an AI-powered journey that spans 3 unique use cases. 1. Conservation work designed to protect the world's oceans by using drones to track whales and capture streaming images that are sent back to a boat where AI is used to quickly categorize the data and track the health of the whales. 2. Work with Princeton neuroscientists to analyze fMRI scans of the brain with AI and decode brain wiring to learn how it can affect perception and the way we feel in an effort to treat brain disorders in the future. And 3. Teaming up with Ferrari to experience sports broadcasting of the future. Experience real-time image detection and classification using Intel Movidius Myriad X vision processing units capable of processing AI and computer vision workloads directly on devices without the need for a network or cloud connection. Watch Intel Movidius Myriad X VPUs make sense of a complex film scene by localizing and classifying objects in real time. Also, get hands-on with real-world Intel Movidius technology-enabled AI in consumer devices, like the Google Clips AI camera and a new Tello drone featuring advanced sensor fusion for fun and intuitive drone flight experiences. First, the promise of immersive VR grabbed consumer consciousness. Now, Intel invites you to experience the Intel CES booth in the 4th dimension. Built with Sansar's powerful creator tools, The virtual experience scales from the practical to the fantastic as the CES booth comes alive with VR effects and objects that could only be introduced in virtual reality. Attendees immerse themselves in the experience wirelessly using HTC VIVE HMD with Intel WiGig technology. Visitors from all over the world will also be able to explore the inside of an 8th Gen Intel Core processor, visit a location from the upcoming movie Ready Player One, and step into the set of a Western scene created at Intel's new volumetric capture studio. The huge amount of data required to create these virtual worlds and experiences are handled by the power of Intel's newest 8th Gen Intel Core processors. Step into the driver's seat and participate in a realistic live VR driving experience that simulates performance driver training on a test track. Not just a game, the simulator provides physical feedback to the driver, while the software objectively evaluates driver data for performance and safety criteria and compares it to other drivers at CES. The experience is created in partnership with Motion VR, a leader in automotive VR training and simulation, and powered by 8th generation Intel Core processor-based PCs with Intel Optane technology to provide responsive experiences using Windows mixed reality. Lights, camera, 3D action. Intel has developed a 3D face analysis technology capable of creating dramatic special effects for video, visual effects production, or social media. Trained on hundreds of thousands of facial images, the machine learning and deep learning models intelligently analyze video images and can automatically detect and recognize human faces, precisely reconstruct a face in 3D, and track the head pose and facial expressions in real time. With the reconstructed 3D face, visual patterns and graphics can be overlaid on the video to generate the final facial animations with special effects. Previously, this level of effect could only be done with specialized cameras and equipment, at extreme expense and development time. Now attendees can experience these visual effects and video filters themselves in real time, with the transformative power of AI. Ever tried to talk to a friend over the phone when they were on a poor or delayed connection? When you add a truly immersive, social, and interactive experience to them, delays in audio and visuals become simply unacceptable. 5G's low latency will allow seamless social interactions and truly immersive multi-person VR to be experienced from anywhere, at home or on the go with a 5G mobile connection. Experience smooth, immediate response gameplay, audio and visual interactivity, and control input made possible on a real, live, over-the-air 5G network powered by Ericsson and Intel. Join your friends on an amazing journey as you seamlessly move through space and time as you experience The Life of Us, a multi-person social VR experience that premiered at Sundance and has been featured at film festivals around the world. This experience previously could only be possible while connected locally in the same room. On a next-gen 5G network, players can experience the same immersive and immediate control and responsiveness, even if thousands of miles apart.
An iconic chant that resonates around the Big Apple. It's the NFL like you've never seen before. It's Intel True VR. We are at MetLife Stadium, site for the Bills and Jets. Both teams desperate for a win for different reasons. A spot atop the division on live for Buffalo fans. Gang Green looking for a launching point to change its season. And with that, we welcome you on to the football field. I'm Mike Am with a couple of USC grads. Both guys actually going in the first round. Curtis Conway, not to mention Leonard Williams, who obviously handled business defensively. There was so much talk about this Jets squad and this game being so important for this team to sort of change what we were going to see from you guys the rest of the season. Put into context the amount of pressure there was on this game.
There was a lot of pressure going off of a 3-game losing streak. All those games were pretty close. We were battling with
Transport yourself into the heart of a smart city with the City Beacon kiosk. From connectivity to emergency services and navigation to mobile payments, this street-side open platform blends state-of-the-art connectivity, security, and communications to make the way we live smarter and more accessible, connecting citizens, cities, and businesses. City Beacon provides edge computing to intelligent city infrastructure to deliver value-added services. Imagine connecting a city with hundreds of similar kiosks to create a connected network of processing and sensors that add functionality for city dwellers and seamlessly makes data available to multiple city organizations to tie together communication and integrate. Discover how Intel and Mobileye are accelerating automated driving solutions from the individual components to the larger flow of data. This experience allows attendees to approach an acrylic transparent vehicle with sensors that respond to their presence. Display monitors built in the car will highlight Intel, Mobileye, and other technologies that make autonomous driving safer and more reliable, as well as highlighting in-vehicle experience. The combination of Intel and Mobileye allow Mobileye's leading computer vision expertise to complement Intel's high-performance computing and connectivity expertise to create safer and more affordable automated driving solutions from the bumper. Experience the transformative potential of the 5G future today through an entertainment lens. Kick back and watch 4K ultra-high-definition video, supplied by Warner Brothers, displayed on multiple high-res screens over a live 5G link. The connection is powered by the Intel 5G mobile trial platform and Ericsson base station via a home router based on Intel's connected home technology.